Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Check your windows. We are about to land in Prayagraj, the Maha Kumbh Nagri, flying over the spiritual Sangam Ghat, where the holy Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati rivers meet, offering blessings to all. My co-pilot, Mr. Patel, just shared an exciting fact. This is the Purna Maha Kumbh, happening after 144 years. So what's the plan after landing? Of course, a holy dip for all of us. Let's be part of history before we become history. It's a once-in-a-lifetime blessing. Dear passengers, this is not just a journey, it's a spiritual experience with the world's largest gathering of Hindus. Let's take blessings from the Naga Sadhus and feel the divine energy of the Maha Kumbh. Welcome to Prayagraj. Get ready for your holy dip. The flight will not take off without completing our spiritual journey.